How the cookbook can help. So our product, the Data Cookbook, gives you a glossary, gives you a workflow, provides a task list, versions your definitions so that you have a history of what you've decided in the past, and lets you document quality rules. Let's look at some quick screenshots on those, Brian. Here's the search engine for your business glossary. You know, the day will come when you have 300 entries in your glossary, and we provide a very nice search engine to all those glossary entries. Go ahead, next slide. Here's a quick shot of the results. Here are 3 definitions from the admissions area. You can just see it's nice to pleasant to browse. You can see what they are. You can see a snippet of the definition. On the right-hand side, you can see a little bit of governance activity, who approved it, how long ago was it approved, what version is it in, etc. Very convenient. Next slide. Here's a picture of, for the definition admission status, here's the workflow panel. So this is showing how that definition went from the drafting stage through a review and to the approved stage. So this is the bulk of your work, is to approve these little tidbits, these little definitions. Here is the audit trail of how you did that at each definition. Go ahead, next slide. And then related to that is a commenting area for each definition. So there's transparency around how that object got to the approved state, and then there's transparency around any conversations that were had in writing about that object. Go ahead, next slide. Here we provide a list by user account as to what your tasks should be. So when that Friday at 2 o'clock rolls around, you have a list of what you should wrap up before you depart for home for the week. Next slide. Quality rules. We have a catalog. We offer you a place to document and catalog your quality rules. Similar search engine to what you saw with the definitions. You can filter when you get to, we have 2 here, but when you get to 30 or 40 quality rules, we provide a nice discovery search interface for it. Next slide. This last one is about what we call a specification. So we offer a descriptive tool for each report that is created. So it's a narrative, descriptive narrative for a report. And the data steward can contribute context and meaning around the data usage for the data in that report, and they can so they can then participate in completing the specification for a given report.